Christmas is back at Hobby Lobby and I am so excited. I wanted to do a quick tour to share with you the items that they have out so far. There isn't a lot, as you will see by the empty pegs, but that just means there is room for so much more. This was definitely the aisle with the most items. Lots of candles, actual candles in jars, battery-operated candles, candle holders, just a huge variety. This aisle was completely full with very few empty spaces. And because this is very new, nothing is on sale yet and they weren't even advertising it in the weekly ad. I just happened to need to go to Hobby Lobby to buy a poster board and there it was. I knew that for several weeks they were prepping for it because I could see all the empty slots that they normally use for Christmas, and I'm so glad I went back and looked because there it was in all its Christmas glory. This was also on the other side of the candle aisle, lots and lots of ribbons. So again, the most stocked aisle. I thought these ribbons were beautiful. And there was also more traditional ribbons like the plaid and the buffalo plaid. And of course, your regular red, green, white, all the nice normal Christmas colors. Every Hobby Lobby is different, so I was actually already seeing some people on YouTube show videos of really stocked Hobby Lobbies. So tell me in the comments down below if you have a Hobby Lobby or any local craft store that is already showing Christmas items. I would just be interested to see what different places do across America or in different parts of the world as well. And I know that there are some people who are not thrilled to see Christmas things out in June, but this is a necessity for people like me who sell things at craft shows. I have to get things ready now because if I waited until, let's say, August or September, I would only have a couple months to get ready for everything. So it's really great that there are some stores that start early. Now this is one thing I don't really recall seeing, but maybe it's because I don't really shop for Christmas cards all too often, but they had a lot of really cute patterned Christmas cards. So if you are somebody who wants to stock up and get ready to write your Christmas cards, they have that already. And these middle aisle sections are actually where I find all my cute things for my shadow boxes and other ornaments. So there's stickers, there's little charms, there's buttons, and this definitely is my favorite place. Now, if you have kids that are at home for the summer, I mean, Christmas in July is coming, you could do a cute kids craft. They have stickers out and other cute little things to decorate different Christmas characters. So I definitely think that it's a great idea. You know, also it's so hot outside. Do some fun things inside with the kids. Now these greenery stems are perfect. These are what I use all the time to make wreaths and add other greenery items to my decorations. Of course, lots and lots of stickers. I love these little velvet bows. I thought those were cute. And I'm really hoping they have a lot of new items out. I feel like last year I was seeing a lot of things from the year before. So I'm looking forward to looking for different things, new things to switch up some of my decorations. This is the greenery wall where there's wreaths and garlands. Again, lots of empty spaces because I know it's fairly new. But if you're in the hunt for a wreath, you could go and get it now if you like to. This is the pick section. Look at how much room there is for more things. They definitely had a lot of berries in stock. You'll see the red berries here in a second. This was the only item that I thought was a little out of place. They're these brown velvet balls. I'm not really sure if this is going to be a new trend this year, but I didn't really care for it too much. And here are all of the berries. I was just so excited to see these items because I use red berries a lot in all my crafting. And this concludes my quick tour of my local Hobby Lobby. Tell me again if you have any Christmas things out in your local stores. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.